All right, guys, let's talk about student grades. So it's very important for you to go back to Google Classroom and check your work, check feedback from your instructor. If you click on an assignment that you've already finished and you open it back up, even if it's already graded, if you open it back up, if there are any comments that are in this from your teacher, you'll be able to see it there. You'll also be able to see comments here if they just put a comment, if your teacher just put a comment on the side, but if they actually made comments throughout the document, then you'll have to open it back up. So you want to go back and check your work because maybe your teacher has provided feedback. If you have to redo something, they'll resubmit it or they'll return it to you so that you can resubmit it after you've made changes. But the purpose of students doing work where they're receiving grades is so they can receive feedback, so they can grow, so they can learn. So you want to make sure you're checking for feedback, you're checking your grades, you're seeing how you are performing in class. So if your teacher has grade books set up with Google Classroom, then I'm going to show you how you can see your overall grade. Now keep in mind, if there are assignments outside of Google Classroom, maybe you've taken a test on Edulastic, maybe you've done a hands-on project that wasn't given to you in Google Classroom, maybe there's other things, that kind of thing, you need to check Infinite Campus for your end-all be-all grade, okay? This is just, how am I doing on the Google Classroom side of things? And if your teacher's given you everything in Google Classroom, then that's a true reflection of your grade. Just keep in mind, if they're not adding outside grades to Google Classroom gradebook, because that would be more work on the teacher, keep in mind that those kind of grades will have an impact, especially if it's something like a test where maybe it's worth twice as much as a regular assignment. So what you're going to do whenever you're in Google Classroom, you're going to click on Classwork. And at the very top, you'll see View Your Work. So you're going to view your work, and you'll see that this student has a 96% for these assignments. If you want to see what's been assigned to you, you can click on Assigned and see that these are assigned. If there's anything that's been returned to you, so all this has been graded and is returned to me as the student. If you want to see what's missing, then you can click here and see, oh, these are all the things that I've missed. I need to go back and do all of these things. Okay, so that's just a really quick overview of how do you access the grade book, and it's right here again at View Your Work that gives you an overall grade.